Hey, it's Doug from Magnfi, and today I want to talk about how to utilize a call to action in a video email, right? Video email is something, if you're not doing it right now, you definitely need to do. Why? Because it's more engaging, right? The fact that you're watching this video versus reading a giant block of text is proof in that quote-unquote pudding, right? So, to utilize a call to action within a video email, you want to make sure that when you're making that video email that you say the words that are going to be in that call to action button, right? So with Magnfi, when you send a video email to a client, there's a spot where you actually input a customized call to action button. So say, for example, if you want them to book another meeting with you, right? And this sounds crazy simple, but a lot of people don't do this. But in that button, put click to book meeting, right? Or if you met with a prospect, right? And the next step for them is to pay their online invoice, right? So as you prompt them to click the button to make their online payment, in that button put click to make payment, right? Click make payment. Something that has to do with the call to action. So you're doing the call to action that's said within the button, but it's also being repeated in the actual video email itself. So it's reinforcing it 2 times. They're seeing it and they're hearing it, which is the power of video email. Look out for the next video marketing tip coming out here real soon. Catch you later.